Hey everybody, it's Frank Diorio. I'm coming to you from my office of dioramaworkshop.com. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Tracy, for the nice t-shirt. I just wanted to film this with my iPhone and my shaky hand tripod because I just hit a milestone for the YouTube channel, and it's because of you guys. And it's because we just reached 3,500 subscribers, which is amazing. And even though there's been a lack of new videos, I'll explain a bit later, you guys are still subscribing around 10 to 20 a day, which is amazing. And it makes me feel so happy that, you know, you guys are interested in seeing more and seeing how the tutorials are made and all of the free blueprints and the photos that you guys have been sending me of the builds that you have been making in your own house, which is just amazing. And so I just wanted to let you know, thank you for subscribing and encouraging me with the website and the YouTube channel. Now, for the lack of videos, my computer, my trusted Mac, died just before the holidays after I had bought it in 2007, and it was on its last legs starting in the summer, and I was able to revive it 2-3 times, but now it really died. So a friend of mine was going to lend me his computer, but with COVID, we had red zone lockdowns here. I wasn't able to go get it. So I think I'm just going to shopping around looking to get a new computer for February, and then the new videos will start ramping up weekly again like we did just before the spring winter months of last year. So there's a lot of content. I have all of the celebrations. Next year, can you believe it? 2022 will be the 20th anniversary of me going and making the Diorama Builders with my trusted crew that has grown with me in all these years and all the past conventions. So I just can't believe 20 years has gone by so fast, and I can't believe that my procrastination has made it that after 20 years, I still don't have all of the tutorials that I promised from the people coming to the convention. Yeah, you can continue the adventure at home. It's like, that's the goal for this year. Anyhow, I just want to thank you again so much. Keep spreading the word. Keep spreading the love. Thank you again for subscribing. And 2021 is going to blast off with a vengeance once the new computer comes in. So hang in tight. It'll be a couple of weeks still until new content starts coming, but I promise you it'll be worth the wait. So Frank Diorio, love you guys and girls and everyone who builds the dioramas at home, or who just likes to look at what we do. That happens too. So anyway, I'm rambling on. Talk to you soon, and thank you again. Frank Diorio, ciao, out.